Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia for creating business videos with professional quality. Yeah, if you want to produce polished corporate content without hiring a full production team, this method is perfect because, honestly, AI video tools like Synthesia save time and make your brand look professional instantly. So first, sign up or log in to your Synthesia account. Click Create Video and choose an AI presenter that fits your business style. You can customize their appearance, voice, and even language to match your brand identity. Next, write or paste your script carefully. Yeah, clear, concise messaging is key for business videos, and Synthesia will convert your text into natural-sounding speech automatically, saving you from recording yourself or hiring voiceover talent. After that, select a professional template and background. You can upload your company logo, slides, or branded visuals to make your video look corporate and polished. Also, add captions, scene transitions, and charts if needed. Yeah, visual aids help convey complex information clearly, which is especially useful for presentations, training, or marketing videos. And yeah, preview your video before finalizing. So once everything looks perfect, render it and
Hey
download the
everyone.
high-quality
In this
video
video, I'll
ready
show
for presentations, social media, or client pitches. Finally, experiment with different presenters, voices, and layouts to find the style that best represents your brand. Most of the time, this approach lets businesses produce professional-grade videos quickly, efficiently, and without a camera crew. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.